Are you a student who's aspiring to become a better person? Are you a student who wants to score in your exam with a better marks, but you do not have a guide or a mentor? Now, everyone, for all the students dedicated, this section is for you. Now, in this section, you'll be learning how this ChatGPT can help you become a better student, how it can help you to get more and more marks and make you more better in terms of your school life or college life. So everyone, in this video section, we'll be covering about many topics. The first topic would be how you can create a schedule or a calendar so that you can manage your entire day. You can plan your day properly for different subjects. You can also plan your day for proper playing activities, and then you can grow properly. We'll also be learning how ChatGPT can help you clear the basic fundamental concepts. Now, there are many students who are very shy. I used to be shy when I was in college and school. I never used to ask questions to my teachers, but I had many doubts in my mind. And there was no friend or no colleague who can guide me endlessly, effortlessly, without any complaints. Today, everyone, you got a friend in ChatGPT where you can ask them n number of questions and it can help you get all the answers. No need to wait for the teacher, no need to wait for the friend to give you the answers, no need to take any favor from any person. Here in this section, you'll understand how to ask the questions to ChatGPT, get the basic concepts clear from them. Also, now people who want to prepare in a better manner for all the interviews, for all the exams, they can also expect ChatGPT to test your knowledge. Yes, ChatGPT can ask you multiple choice questions. It can also ask you how to write the assignments, how to write the projects as well. So in this video section, we'll be covering about testing your knowledge. Later on, this also can behave as a guide for all the Indian students, in fact, for all the students across the world, that if you want to take an admission in X college outside this particular city, or if you want to go to the X country, what are the charges of that college? What are the placements of that college? Is it compatible? What are the cultural differences? A student is usually scared when he goes outside his home for studying. There are many things which runs in his mind. What will be the environment? What will be the temperature? What are the students? Etc. Do not worry, this chat GPT can give you 80% of right answers, which will make you prepared before you actually jump into that area. Also, once the student is prepared, he can be confident enough to go for an interview. You can expect that ChatGPT can behave as an interviewer and he can prepare you for the interview so that you can clear your interview process very smoothly. So for a student, and I envy all you students who are born in this era, because when I started, I didn't have this particular tool to help me out in all the stages of my student career. So everyone, in this particular section, you'll be learning a lot of things about how to become a better student, how to make your work easier, faster, and more, productive. So let's check out the first video in this section.